Hello children, welcome to the English class. You remember in the last class we have discussed a letter to the editor. Here today we are going to discuss official letter about any complaint. The format of this official letter will be also divided into 8 parts, just like a letter to the editor. You see here, first sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, subject, salutation, body, public content, complimentary clause, and then earth is signature. If signature is not clear, then name, and designation is mentioned, then designation. To follow the format better, let's see this question. Question is, write a letter to the Commissioner of Chennai Corporation complaining about the poor sanitary conditions and mosquito menace in your locality. So first, sender's address. So now go through the question carefully and see what is sender's address. See the question again. Write a letter to the Commissioner of Chennai Corporation complaining about the poor. So here sender's address is not mentioned. Now the question arises, if sender's address is not mentioned, then what should be done? If sender's address should not be given? No, we have to give the sender's address, if it is mentioned or not. If it is not mentioned, then just imagine and write. In this case, we have to imagine. First, we have to write the name of locality or a street. So imagine any locality, as I have written here 12 ABC Road. You may write here 9 ABC Road, 9 ABC Street, 3 XYZ Street. Show anything you can imagine. In the second line, as you have to write a letter to the Chennai Corporation, show city will be Chennai. Then skip one line and date. Date you have to write of the day when you are writing this letter. Today you are going to write this letter, so you will write 5 June 2020. Date you may write in two ways. Either you write 5 June 2020 or June 5 2020. Mind here, you have to avoid ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means don't write 5, 6, 7, 4, second. Simply 5, 4 or June 4, June 5, this way. Skip one line and receiver's address. Now see here, what is receiver's address? The Commissioner of Chennai Corporation. In the first line, you will write the name of designation, the Commissioner. Commissioner, C will be capital, as in a letter to the editor, E was capital. In the same way, if you are writing a letter to the director, then D capital, manager, then M capital, principal, then P capital. So the Commissioner, C capital. In the next line, Chennai Corporation. Skip one line and subject. Subject is very important. Be very careful while choosing the subject, because your content of the letter will depend upon the subject. If subject is wrong, your whole letter will be wrong. So see the question again and see what is the subject. Corporation complaining about. After complaining about whatsoever is given, this is the subject. The poor sanitary conditions and mosquito menace. This is your subject. Regarding, R capital. The poor sanitary condition and mosquito menace. So this is your subject. Skip one line and then salutation. Sure. Now body. Body is the main part of letter. Body will be written in 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you will write about the purpose of writing your letter. In the second paragraph, problem in detail. What is the problem? How the problem is affecting you, and what should be solution? What is your personal opinion? What is your suggestion? In the third paragraph, your appeal to the government, to the authority, and then complimentary clause, thanking you, yours faithfully, oblique yours truly. Yours sincerely will be written only if the letter starts with a name, like dear Mr. James, dear Mr. Raj, dear Mr. Kapoor. Then you write yours sincerely, otherwise only yours faithfully or yours truly. At last, signature. And signature is not clear, then name. And designation is mentioned in the letter, then designation, otherwise you don't need to give designation. Now children, so you have seen here that everything is just like a letter to the editor, because a letter to the editor is also an official letter, formal letter, and this is also formal letter. But there are some differences, and these differences lie in opening lines and closing lines. A letter to the editor, actually this is not a direct letter. We take help of editor only. We take help of his newspaper only. So we start the letter with through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. But here we are going to request directly the receiver, addressee. So just see some beginning lines. First, may I have the honor to draw your kind attention towards. But in an editor to the letter, we write through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, may I have the honor to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities. But here, we will not write concerned authorities, we will write directly your kind attention. You may start this way also. With great dismay, I'd like to bring to your kind notice that. With great regret, I'd like to bring to your kind notice that. We may write, with great sorrow, I'd like to bring to your kind notice that. You can use this opening line also. I want to express my concern and anguish at the. After at the, you will write whatsoever problem is there. So you can choose any of them, or you may learn all of them. This will be better. Then closing lines. Closing lines will be also different from a letter to the editor, because here you are not going to write the concerned authorities. Here directly you will write you. So just see, I therefore request you. In a letter to the editor, you write here, I therefore request the concerned authorities, the government, but here you write you. I therefore request you to initiate the possible steps in this regard. You may use, hoping to be favored with your kind attention. You may write, thanking you in anticipation. Or you can also write, I hope my points will be taken into consideration and it will reach the appropriate audience soon. So you can use any of them. It's not that you will write all the beginning lines and closing lines and you will fill your letter. No. Write any one of the beginning line, any one of the closing lines, whatsoever is liked by you. So your assignment is to complete the letter, because I have not touched the body, I have not written content. Hope you have followed. Thanks. Let's see in the next class.